Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync audio with video in InShot. Whether you're aligning background music with transition, matching beats to clip, or syncing voiceovers precisely with visuals, InShot provides simple yet powerful timeline tools to help you achieve perfect synchronization. And let's get started. First, you need to open to your InShot app, and once you reach into this InShot dashboard, you will find this video, photo, or the collage. Select to this video. Over here you can simply select your existing project, or you can create a new one by importing your video clips into the timeline by selecting new as well. As I'm going to select to this draft, and once your video appears in the editor, you're ready to add or adjust the audio. So to sync your audio, you first need to add to the music. Over here, once you tap, you can simply choose from the track as well, or you can simply select to this audio over here and select to this and go to this volume, and you can manually decrease the volume as well. And over here, if you want to trim, you can select to this split icon over here, and you can simply cut down the unnecessary parts for the music. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.